Daily English Talks. Making the bed and cleaning the room. Good morning. Why does your room still look messy even though you said you cleaned it last night?
I thought I cleaned it, but I was too tired, so I only put a few things away and left the rest for today.
Well, today is the perfect time to make the bed properly and clean the whole room from corner to corner.
You're right, because waking up in a clean and organized room really makes the whole day feel better.
Let's start by making the bed carefully, since it is the biggest thing in the room and makes the biggest difference.
Okay, I will remove the blanket first and shake it outside so the dust doesn't stay on it.
That's a good idea. And after that, smooth the bed sheet so there are no wrinkles left on it.
I didn't realize how messy the sheet was until I stretched it tightly over the mattress.
Now place the pillows nicely and fluff them so they look soft and comfortable.
It already looks much better, and we haven't even started cleaning the rest of the room yet.
Next, we should pick up all the clothes that are lying on the floor and sort them properly.
Some of these clothes are clean, but I was too lazy to fold them and put them in the closet.
Let's fold the clean ones neatly and put the dirty ones in the laundry basket.
I feel embarrassed that I let my room get this messy in the first place.
Don't worry, everyone gets lazy sometimes, but what matters is that you are cleaning it now.
You're right, and I actually feel motivated now that we have already made the bed.
After we finish with the clothes, we should organize your desk because it looks very cluttered.
I can't even find my notebook under all these papers and old snack wrappers.
First, throw away the trash so we can see what is actually important on the desk.
I didn't realize I had kept so many unnecessary things that I don't even use anymore.
Cleaning helps you see what you really need and what you can let go of.
That makes sense, and it also makes studying much easier when the desk is clean.
Now stack your books in order and put your pens inside the pencil holder.
I should probably wipe the desk surface because it feels dusty and sticky.
Yes, use this cloth and spray so the desk shines and smells fresh.
Wow, the room is already starting to feel brighter and more comfortable.
That's because a clean space gives you a clear and peaceful mind.
I never thought making the bed and cleaning the room could change my mood so much.
Small habits like these can make a big difference in your daily life.
I think I should start making my bed every morning instead of leaving it messy.
That would be a great habit because it only takes a few minutes but makes the room look tidy all day.
Now let's sweep the floor carefully, especially under the bed where dust collects.
Don't forget the corners because dust always hides in places we don't usually see.
I can't believe how much dust was under my bed, even though I clean sometimes.
That's why regular cleaning is important, so dirt doesn't build up over time.
After sweeping, should we mop the floor to make it completely clean?
Yes, mopping will remove the remaining dirt and make the floor smell fresh.
I like the clean scent. It makes the whole room feel calm and relaxing.
Let's also open the window so fresh air can come in and remove any bad smell.
The sunlight coming through the window makes everything look even cleaner.
Natural light always makes a room feel warm and welcoming.
I think I will rearrange the small table near the window to make more space.
That's a smart idea because having more space makes the room feel larger and more comfortable.
I feel proud of how different my room looks compared to this morning.
See, cleaning is not just about the room. It also changes how you feel inside.
I feel more relaxed and ready to focus on my work now.
Making your bed was the first small step that helped us finish everything else.
It's amazing how one simple action can start a chain of productive tasks.
That's why people say that good mornings begin with small positive habits.
From now on, I will try to keep my room clean every day instead of waiting until it gets messy.
If you clean a little each day, it will never feel overwhelming again.
Thank you for helping me and motivating me to organize my space.
Of course, because living in a clean environment makes life more peaceful and enjoyable.
I actually enjoy sitting in my room now because it feels comfortable and fresh.
Maybe later you can add a small plant to make it even more lively.
That sounds like a wonderful idea because plants make any room feel natural and calm.
For now, let's admire the result of our hard work and relax for a moment.
I agree because we truly transformed this messy space into a clean and organized room.
Remember how it looked before so you won't let it get that messy again.
I promise I will keep making my bed and cleaning my room every day from now on.